Hello guys, this is Mazhar. I'm an English teacher. Welcome to Falcon English Language Academy Children, and welcome to this series on English tenses. And this series on English tenses, I'm going to help you improve, learn and master your English grammar and your English tenses. Well guys, in today's class we're going to be talking about direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech and indirect speech is a source of great confusion for English learners. They find it quite difficult and quite hard. But in today's video, I'm going to explain it to you people, and I'm going to make it much easier for all of you. Most of my students have been requesting me for a long time to make a lesson on direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech and indirect speech. So first of all, I would like to teach you the term what direct speech is and what indirect speech is. There are basically two ways of relating what a person has said. One is direct speech and the other one is indirect speech. In direct speech, we report the actual words of the original speaker. Our direct speech is when we read, when we say or report the actual words, the real words of a speaker. Let's have a look at the definition. Direct speech. In direct speech, we repeat the original speaker's exact word. We repeat the original speaker's exact word. Or we can say that direct speech is writing down or reporting the actual words that were said by speaker. But direct speech ke first of all what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. First we will talk on direct speech. Direct speech یو کس یو خبره وکړي هغه خبره چې کله موږ بل چاته کوو نو د دې دوه طریقې وي. یوه طریقه دا ده چې یوې طریقې ته ډایرکټ سپیچ ویل کېږي. په ډایرکټ سپیچ کې موږ داسې کوو چې د دې کس اوریجنل الفاظ موږ راوالو بل ته وکړو، دې ته ډایرکټ سپیچ وایي. په انډایرکټ سپیچ کې موږ مینینګ دقه ایګزیکټ مینینګ ورکوو، خو الفاظ دقه نه استعمالوو، د الفاظو کې موږ تبدیلي راولو، چینجز راولو، نو لیټر آن په دغه چینجز باندې موږ خبره کوو. خو فرست اف آل ډایرکټ سپیچ، فرست اف آل ټرمز ډیفاین کوو چې ډایرکټ سپیچ څه ته وایي او انډایرکټ سپیچ څه ته وایي. نو ډایرکټ سپیچ کې چې کوم دی موږ ان ډایرکټ سپیچ وی ریپیټ the original speaker's exact word. But direct speech کې چې کوم دی موږ د original speaker exact الفاظ، یعنی فار ایگزامپل زه اوس ویم چې زه بیزي یم، I'm busy، او دا خبره یو کس لاړ شي بل چاته کوي او زما دقه هوبهو الفاظ استعمال کوي چې هغه وایي زه بیزي یم، هغه وایي زه بیزي یم، زما هغه الفاظ ما دا الفاظ استعمال کړي زه بیزي یم، او بیا له دې ځای نه یو کس لاړ شي بل ځای ته هغه الفاظ هغه خبره چاته کوي خو زما هغه اوریجنل الفاظ استعمال کوي، نو دې ته ډایرکټ سپیچ وایي. لایک فار ایگزامپل if I say I am busy، دا خبره ما وکړه I am busy. اوس دا خبره د دې ځای نه یو کس ځي بل ځای ته یا دا خبره بل چاته کوي، نو د دې دا خبره چې دی بل چاته کوي نو دا به په دوو طریقو کوي. یو طریقې ته ډایرکټ سپیچ ویل کېږي. نو په ډایرکټ سپیچ کې به دی څه کوي، دی به داسې وایي چې هی سیډ، اور دې نه بعد به مونږ چې په لیکلو کې په رایټنګ کې به د هی سیډ نه بعد مونږ یو کامه لګوو. بیا یاد ساتئ ان رایټنګ، په رایټنګ کې به د کوم الفاظ چې د سپیکر استعمال کړي دي او دی بل چاته کوي دغه الفاظو کې به موږ څه کوو، دغه الفاظ به موږ په کوټیشن مارکس کې بندوو. لایک فار ایگزامپل I am busy. The direct speech show. This is called direct speech. He said, comma, I am busy. Now the speech کوم دی د اوریجنل الفاظ، دا اوریجنل الفاظ به په دې کوټیشن مارکس کې دې ته انورټډ کاماز هم ویل کېږي، په دې کې به بندېږي، دې ته ډایرکټ سپیچ وایي زموږ سره. یا بله خبره زه وکړم I have lost my pen. فار ایگزامپل دا خبره ما وکړه I have lost my pen. I have lost my pen. I have lost my pen. اوس دا خبره یو کس بل چاته کوي، زما دا خبره بل چاته کوي او زما دقه الفاظ استعمال کوي، نو دی ډایرکټ سپیچ وایي. لایک فار ایگزامپل داسې وایي چې he said نه بعد direct speech kala mung likunu kama bakko. He said. Then about the bemunga the I have lost my pen. Quotation marks. The khabar ba quotation marks ke bandi. Ha was direct speech and indirect speech the kalamanga alo. No, first of all, there are a few terms which we need to know, which we need to learn in order to easily turn or convert direct speech into indirect speech. Come terms is the kawali, padeki the terms is the kawali. Look at this. Direct speech the musara two parts. The direct speech two parts. Number one, this part. The quotation the bar chicken party. This he said. Dito vileki reporting speech. This is called reporting speech. The first part of direct speech is called reporting speech. Ya dito vileki reporting clause. Reporting clause. First part, look at this is one part, second part. This is called direct speech. This is direct speech way, but direct speech ke the first part the reporting speech ya reporting clause will ki. Of the day they verb the said, they verb the will ki reporting verb. Reporting verb. Becikam خبر دې کس کړي دا خبره د original الفاظ د دې کس د original الفاظ دا به مونږ په quotation marks کې بندو. We place them when we are writing, so we place the original speaker's exact word in quotation marks or inverted commas. د کم الفاظ د کم خبره چې په quotation mark کې د original خبره دا په quotation marks کې بند ده دې ته ویل کېږي دې part ته د second part دې part ته ویل کېږي reported speech. Reported speech. دې ته ویل کېږي reported speech. First one is called reporting speech. The first part of the direct speech, the first part of the direct speech is called reporting speech or reporting clause, while the second part, which is enclosed in inverted commas, which is placed in inverted commas, they're called reported speech, or they're called reported clause or reported clause. Understanding and learning these terms are quite important. Well, if we know them, we can easily convert, we can easily turn a direct speech into indirect speech. Mung pa asani saralo shida mung todera asani peda ke marke. Have a look at it once more. Mung sara direct speech. The direct speech ta which kala munga yo kase yo khabar kari aq khabar mung bal chata ko aw daga original alfaz aga original alfaz exact alfaz mung istemal ku bada alfaz ke mung changes wanaku changes pakirana wolo dakte tawila ki direct speech. No direct speech kam de damung liku, like for example he said. No, this first part is called this is called reporting speech or reporting clause. The verb tawila ki reporting verb. This is called reporting verb. The din abad ba mung yo kama lagaw. The din abad ba kama lagaw. Bia ch kam الفاظ کم خبره کم اوریجنل خبره من کو دا اوریجنل خبره به مون په quotation marks کې بندو او this part is called reported speech or reported clause. Now let's have a look at how to write direct speech. What are the rules of writing direct speech? So let's have a look at that. Okay, now let's have a look at the definition, how to define reporting speech and how to define the reported speech, or what reporting speech is, what reported speech is, what reporting verb is, and what reported verb is, because they are the most important terms. Well, if you want to gain sound command and easily convert direct speech into indirect speech. So direct speech is, I mentioned earlier that direct speech has got two clauses. One is enclosed, one clause is enclosed, or one clause is placed between the inverted commas or the quotation marks. That is called reported speech. And the one that is not enclosed, that is out of the inverted commas, is called a reporting speech. Like for example, a reporting speech, the first part of the direct speech, which is not enclosed in an inverted commas, is called reporting speech or reporting clause. For example, he says. After reporting speech or reporting clause, we usually put a comma if it comes before the reported speech. Like he says, she says, it says, or he said, or he will say, comma, or she says, or she said, or she will say, etc. Or they say, they said, I say, I said. This part is actually called a reporting speech, and these verbs say they are called reporting verb. Like for example, I say, he said, I like tea. So have a look at this. This is called reporting speech. This is called reporting speech. Now what is reported speech? The second part of the direct speech, which is enclosed in inverted commas or quotation marks, is called reported speech. Now have a look at this. This part that is enclosed in quotation marks, this part of direct speech is called reported speech. This is called reporting speech. This is called reported speech. Reporting speech, reported speech. And this verb, have a look at this verb. This verb, the verb of reporting speeches or reporting clause is called reporting verb. This is called reporting verb. This is called reporting verb. Well, this is called reported verb. This is called reported verb. Now, guys, when we are writing direct speech, so let's have a look at this. After reporting clause, we put a comma. तदीन बाद बखामा लगी दा comma. ची कलमंग reporting speech, कलमंग direct speech लिखू, कल ची मंग direct speech लिखू, नो पर direct speech के ची कला दा clause, reporting clause, मंग पा अवला की लिखू नो तदीन बाद बमंग comma लगाओ. दा यो point तो comma बखामा खा लगाओ. हाँ बिया लगे ना बाद reported clause ची कम दे reported clause के दावा मंग पर quotation marks के बंदाओ. These are called quotation marks. दो खबरें शुई. First खबरा the reporting clause ना बाद, the reporting speech ना बाद बखामा लगी. द्वेम खबरा reported clause ची कम दे कम actual exact words ची दावा खामा खा पदे quotation marks की बंदाओ. ये तरीका दे देता opening marks will key opening commas will key opening the opening commas na baad babya the reported clause chide dab the capital letter na shuru ki dage na baad babya chikla da khabar end shi no dalta ba mung full stop lagao. American call it period while British call it full stop lagao aur bya ba closing commas lagao. Now guys, let's move on to what indirect speech is. First I'm gonna define what indirect speech is, and after that we will talk on how to convert a direct speech into indirect speech. So now let's have a look at that. Okay, what indirect speech is in the beginning I already talked that what direct speech is, and now I'm gonna teach you what indirect speech is. But words spoken by a speaker could be reported to another person in two ways. One is direct speech. Direct speech के already मंगे चिकम original अल्फाज मंग दे कस से वो खबर करी और खबर मंग बल चाहता है कि खुदा का original अल्फाज इस्तेमाल को अक़हू बहु अल्फाज के मंग से changes राना वोलू. This is called direct speech. Indirect speech की हम मंग खबर को अक meaning वर्को दा अल्फाज व अक meaning वर्को खो necessarily अल्फाज नहीं इस्तेमाल हो अक original अल्फाज नहीं इस्तेमाल हो अल्फाजों के changes रावोलू तब्दीली पके रावोलू according to the rules. No, our rules those among study ko. But first, let's have a look at what indirect speech is. In indirect speech, we give the exact meaning of the remarks. मतलब अक मतलब अक मफहूम अक माना अक मतलब बयान हो. खो अल्फाज original नहीं इस्तेमाल हो. In indirect speech, we give the exact meaning of the remarks. We give the exact meaning of the remarks or the speech without necessarily using the speaker's exact word or the speaker का exact word नहीं इस्तेमाल हो. For example, direct speech तो हो रही he said दाजी कम दे दम सर reporting clause की मतलब आगे हुए he said I am busy direct speech देता है तो direct speech की reporting speech और reported speech कम original अल्फाज इधर पर quotation marks की बनी वो सीधा मंग आड़ो ना मंग संग आड़ो changes बांधे बरुस्त खबर आके होचे मतलब कम changes दिए खो सिर्फ report indirect speech define के होचे indirect speech सत्ता वही बेदेना बाद चेकम changes important दिया का changes बांधे खबर आके हो he said और बिल्कुल न चढ़े दा बख्पल जरा कुछ की दे quotation marks पजे बांधे दे commas और quotation marks पजे बांधे मंगा that लगाओ that दा optional ले चुन की एग्जाम और पेपर्स के दा इम्पोर्टेंट दी लगे लिखलो के he said that हाँ देना बाद दे मंगे चिकम दे pronoun change को no pronoun change important दे देना बाद tense change दे अगर बे step by step study को हुआ ये चीज़ मतलब pronoun बसंगे change को और tense बसंगे change को और adverb of time बसंगे change को he said that he was busy कमे quotation marks अब हाथ में he said that he was busy. That's a indirect speech. Have a look at another example. He said, I like tea. He said, I like tea. Was the khabar manzu dal tabal chata kau. So the khabar ki kadal pas mang original pas wala gono deta direct speech way. Yani dada original pas da dem istimal kare. He said, I like tea. Gada us mang indirect tado no da bada siado. He said that he first person pronoun de dava according to the subject of reporting speech change ki de mane rusta khabara kau he said that he liked tea yeah but example to she said I go to school direct speech he said I go to school she said that she went to school. She said that she went to school. This is indirect speech. Kuro mang akka meaning akka kanwe ko alfazam akka hubuhu istimal nakra. We made some changes in the words. So now let's talk about the changes. What changes take place? What changes are necessary, important when we are converting a direct speech into indirect speech? Come changes, come tabdiliyani, zaruri di, important di, che kalamanga your direct speech and direct taro. Like this sentence da sugurai, he said, I'm busy. The original alfaz che kamanga original khabara report kala. Was देता डायरेक्ट स्पीच हुई इनडायरेक्ट की मुंग से चलकर इनडायरेक्ट मुंग हम हबरा अक्काओ मतलब अक्का खबरा का हो सिर्फ और सिर्फ अल्फाज दागा कस हु बहु नहीं इस्तेमाल अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स ऑफ डायरेक्ट नरेशन एंड इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन मुंग पदे अल्फाजों की तब्दीली रावलू चेंज पके रावलू लगा दाव गो रही देखी चेंजेस सराला यो कोटेशन मार्क्स कामास वगैरह लरी शु खत्म शु यो पके दैट राले बल जिकम ने दाल त आई दल तम ही तो वाड़ो दल त जिकम ने एम ने दल तम फास्ट वाड़ो दल त प्रेजेंट ने फास्ट तम वाड़ो नो दल तम बस सिर्फ फुल स्टॉप लगाओ या दे बल तो गो ही सेड आई लाइक टी नो ही सेड दैट तम लगाओ बिया ही according to the rules जिकम ने दा मंग डिस्कस को he liked tea. Simple past avodidu. She said I go to school. No, she said that she went to school. Now let's discuss the changes. What changes are important? What changes take place? So now let's do that. Okay, now first change, the pronoun change we'll talk. After that, step by step, I'm going to teach you the changes, what changes are necessary and important, and what changes take place while converting a direct speech into indirect speech. The first is pronoun change. He said, I like tea. This is direct speech. He said I like tea. This is a direct speech. Pronoun change both څنګه کیږي که فرض کا زموږ سره په reported speech کې په دې speech کې reported speech کې quotation marks کې چې کوم موږ وختي دا وکړو چې دا terms زده کول important دي. reported speech کې چې کله کم speech کم original خبره ده په quotation marks کې چې کم باندې که فرض که د دې د subject first person pronoun او first person pronoun I او we او I او we که دلته I او we راغلی و یاد ساتئ I او we first person pronoun دلته راغلی و په reported speech کې کوم چې quotation marks کې باندې نو دا به چینج کیږي according to the subject of the reporting speech. دا به د دې مطابق چینج کیږي. دا به د دې مطابق چینج کیږي. دلته چې کم سبجیکټ دا به دغه مطابق چینج کیږي. د کله چې په reported speech کې first person pronoun راغلی او first person pronoun I یا we راغلی نو دا به د دې ځای مطابق چینج کیږي. لکه فار ایگزامپل دا اوس موږ چینج کوو نو دا به څه شي he said دا خو بالکل نه چېړی په خپل ځای راکوز کوي he said کامو په ځای به موږ that ولګو that he said that. اوس دا څنګه دا first person دی نو چې دلته I یا we راغلی نو دلته چې څه عقبتې جوړیږي مطلب he said that he باقي liked tea. tense change وروسته کوو خو صرف pronoun change اول زده کوو. نو ګورئ first person pronoun څه شی دی I and we. first person pronoun I and we are changed دا به چینج کیږي according to the subject of the reporting speech. یاد ساتئ چې کله I او we په for example داسې راشي موږ سره they said we like tea. they said we like tea. نو دا به داسې وړي چې they said that دا we دی دا به د دې مطابق چینج کیږي. they said that they liked tea. First person pronoun are changed according to the subject of the reporting speech. First person pronoun in the reported speech کې چې کله first person pronoun دا خبره important ده چې کله په reported speech کې first person pronoun نو دا به the reporting speech the subject مطابق change کیږي. second person pronoun you. second person pronoun is what? you. first person is I, we and second person is you. second person pronouns are changed according to the object of the reporting speech. دا به د object مطابق change کیږي. د څه مطابق به چینج کیږي؟ د object مطابق به چینج کیږي. لکه فار ایگزامپل موږ داسې وایو چې he said to me you like tea. دا چې کوم دی زموږ سره ډایرکټ سپیچ شو. he said to me you like tea. دلته سیکنډ پرسن رالی you رالی نو چې کله سیکنډ پرسن you یاد ساتئ دا به ډیپینډ په څه کوي په reported speech. د reported speech subject چې کله you نو دا به د object د reporting speech د object مطابق چینج کیږي. دا object د مطابق به چینج کیږي مطلب دا به ورپسې بیا موږ subject ته اړو. لکه فار ایگزامپل دا به څنګه وړي چې he said that کامو په ځای به څه ولګي that he said that دا به د object مطابق چینج شي نو چې دا د object مطابق مونږ چینج کوو نو دا به څه شي I. He said that I liked tea. He said that I liked tea. He said that I liked tea. Tense change we are going to do later, but pronoun change is quite important because tense change occurs only at that time when the reporting verb is in the past. Tense change doesn't always take. Tense change takes place when tense change به کله کېږي کله تاسو سره reporting speech په past کې خو pronoun change به هر ټیم کېږي. pronoun change به داسې کېږي چې کله زموږ سره pronoun first person pronoun I we are changed according to the subject of the reporting speech, and if the second person pronoun, this is called second person pronoun you, second person pronoun you or second person pronouns چې کوم دي نو موږ سره به are changed according to the object of the reporting speech. Now که فرض که زموږ سره په reporting speech په reported speech کې زموږ سره په reported speech کې third person pronoun راغلیو third person pronoun they will remain unchanged. Third person pronoun he, she, it and they remain unchanged. For example داسې راشي he said, she is busy. دا زموږ سره یو ډایرکټ سپیچ شو. هغه وی چې هغه بیزي ده. اوس چې کله موږ دا اړو دلته وګورئ دا کم پرسن تھرډ پرسن پروناون دی نو دا به نه چینج کیږي. he said that دا په خپل ځای کې that we put that in place of commas and now دا نه چینج کیږي په خپل ځای ولګي that she tense she was busy. Later on we are going to talk why it becomes was and how it becomes was. دې باندې وروسته خبره کوو خو صرف pronoun change یاد ساتئ په ذهن کې چې pronoun change به any time occur کیږي. مطلب چې کله first person pronoun I view نو دا به according to the subject of reporting speech change کیږي according to the subject دا به د subject مطابق you نو دا به د object مطابق او third person pronoun نو دا به نه change کیږي دا به واپس په خپل ځای لګي. That was pronoun change. Now let's have a look at tense change. First of all, I'm going to teach you when tense change take place and when it doesn't take place. मतलब tense change कल कीगी कल न कीगी. Da important खबर है. Now let's have a look at the tense change. Let's have a look at tense change. Tense change, what time tense change take place? First of all, खुदा खबर याद साथी कि tense change बा कल न कीगी वाला खबर आको. If the reporting verb, the reporting clause is in simple present tense in present tense or future tense or present perfect tense, so then tense change will not take place. Tense change will be न कीगी. मतलब कि ज़मीन सारा reporting speech पर दे पॉइंट की like he says or he has said or he will say कपदा से पाम कराला मतलब कप present tense present simple tense क्यों कप present perfect tense क्यों या future tense क्यों the reporting verb मख्य मुंकड़ियों करने देते reporting verb वही नो reporting verb का फर्स्ट का ज़मीन सारा प present simple future या future की या present perfect या present continuous पर दे टेंसनों की हो न भी अब the reported speech पर verb पर tense के बाद change नाराज़ी पर tense के बाद change नाराज़ी like for example ज़ेमा he says I am ill. For example یو کس دا خبره کوي هر ټایم دا خبره کوي زه بیمار یم نو موږ بیا دا چې کله ریپورټ کوو نو he says I am ill دا خو ډایرکټ سپیچ شو دا هغه اوریجنل الفاظ مونږ هغه وی I am ill خو هر ټایم وایي نو که داسې سچویشن رااله مطلب تاسو به ټینس چینج چې کله کوئ نو تاسو به خامخا reporting clause ته به ګورئ reporting clause ته به خامخا ګورئ که دا چېرې په present tense کې و په future tense کې و present perfect present continuous etc کې و بیا به چې کوم دی دلته د tense change نه کېږي pronoun change به کېږي خو tense به نه change کېږي لکه for example دی ته چې اوس مونږ غواړو easy طریقه ده he says no that ها کوم pronoun دی first person دی First person pronoun is always changed according to the subject of the reporting speech. Now, he. He says that he. He says that he. No, present simple tense ke chikala be verb mungi istemalo the he shared sara mung sa lagao is lagao kana. No, daba he said that he is ill. He said that he is ill. Tense ke change run rahe. Tense akka tense munga lagao. Yeah, for example. Suppose she says I like tea. She says I like tea. Again look at the reporting verb, the reporting speech ته وګورئ دا په کوم ټینس کې دی په present simple tense کې دی نو چې په present simple tense کې نو دلته د reported speech په tense کې به change نه راځي دا یاد ساتئ reported speech tense won't change it will stay in the same tense like for example دا چې موږ غواړو دا به she says that the reported speech subject first person pronoun da according to the subject of reporting speech change kigi no da bas she I ba the de mutabiq change no she says that she likes tea she says that she likes tea she said that she likes tea she says that she likes tea no tense change ke number 1 khabardar che if the reporting verb or the reporting clause or the reporting speech is in present tense or future tense or present perfect or present continuous tense so the tense in the reported speech will not take place the tense change will not take place tense change won't occur in the reported speech. Pronoun change will take place, but tense change will not take place. Let's have a look at okay guys, now let's have a look at some more examples. Look at this direct speech. She says, I wash my clothes. She says, I wash my, this is a direct speech. There is suppose someone and she says, I wash my clothes. Which time, when do we actually use says? په کومو حالاتو کې موږ says لګاو دا موږ په داسې حالاتو کې لګاو لکه for example the says په direct speech کې actually خبره موږ زیاتره sad لګي past لګي خو داسې situation هم پکې راتلی شي لکه for example تاسو ته یو sentence exam کې راغلی یا تاسو ته یو sentence درکړي چې she says I wash my clothes change it into indirect speech نو یاد ساتئ she says pronoun change تاسو ته مې دا بار ټیمه کړی خو tense change په صرف داسې کیږي چې دې ته به مونږ ګورو reporting speech ته به ګورو reporting speech ته به she says په کوم tense کې دی په present simple tense کې دی نو چې کله په present simple tense کې present continuous present perfect یا future simple کې future tenses کې نو بیا په دې ځای کې په tense کې change نه occur کیږي اوس چې دا موږ دا sentence اړو indirect speech ته نو موږ څه کوو داسې به کوو she says that first person pronoun they I did according to the subject change she says that she said that she washes she said that she washes no she washes dalta I wash my clothes no she washes her clothes she washes her clothes she says that she washes her clothes دا په کوم سچويشن کې دا says مونږ لګو په سچويشن کې لګو کله چې یو کس ته یو سټیټمنټ بار دا خبره کوي لګو یو دلته سپوز یو فیمیل یو ګرل هغه بار دا وایي زه خپل کپړې نن زه خپل کپړې نن زه خپل بار وایي نو موږ دا ریپورت کوو she says that she washes her clothes she says that she And direct के बराबर से वही she says I wash my clothes. She says I wash my clothes. Hoci can indirect ताड़ा नवे बराबर से वही she says that she washes her clothes. Yeah, for example मंगा यो लेटर दे अगर मंगा read को बेचाता quote का बेचाता report का उन पर इस situation के मंगा present simple tense इस्तेमाल हो पर इस situation के मंगा present simple tense इस्तेमाल हो हाँ वो Tom says I go to school daily. Tom says I go to school daily. What's the khabara mankala? Sitaro indirect speech taro. No, again we will have to look at the reporting speech. Reporting speech verb. Reporting verb. This is called reporting speech. Reporting speech verb is in which tense? In present simple tense. So tense in the reported speech will not take place. टेंस पर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के बाद प्रोनाउन बकीगी बेदागी मुताबिक चिकम दे प्रोनाउन मुताबिक मंगा वर्ब चेंज करो टेंस न चेंज करो वर्ब चेंज की लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल दलता दे टॉम सेज आई गो टू स्कूल न दा चिमगाड़ो दा बसी टॉम says that no Tom subject मैं सरसरे फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन दे आई दे नो आई बर टॉम मुताबिक चेंज नो तो टॉम हम लगा बोले शे टॉम ऑलरेडी ऊपर मेंशन शेयर नो बे प्रोनाउन ही वाला गयो नो टॉम सेज दैट ही गोस टू स्कूल डेली Tom says that he goes to school daily. Tom says that he went to school daily. Mungure wana laga uzaka mona laga when tense da kana change ki chi zamang sara reporting verb chikam dela pa present ke de no reporting verb pa present ki no beba mang khama khas ka tense na change ka reported speech tense ba na change ki aba pa ka same verb ke lagi ha she says I'm going to school. She says I'm going to school. For example, this is just an example. Whenever you ask her question, she gives you answer. I'm going to school. No doubt, chimangalo no tense bani change ki. Zaka bani change ki. Again, the reporting speech pa kam tense kere. Reporting speech ya reporting verb zamsar pa ya reporting clause pa kam tense kere. Pa present simple kere. No da wapas akka da se bolegi chi she says that. Ha pronoun change to go rahi. First person pronoun ne change according to the subject of the reporting speech. No da bas she. She says that she is going to school. She says that she is going to school. She says that she is going to. They say we want to go to Paris. They say we want to go to Paris. They say have a look at this again. The reporting clause, the reporting verb is in present simple tense. No chikala mungsara reporting verb present simple ki no akhwa chikam reported speech inverted commas ke bande no pa de tense ke baad change narazi no da bas shi they say that this is first person pronoun. Again first person pronoun according to the subject of reporting speech. Change they said that they want to go to Paris. They say that they want to go to Paris. They say that they want to go to Paris. Tense change. Reporting speech is in present simple tense. Now, have a look at the perfect example. He says, I will work hard. He says, I will work hard. Remember the blunder, the mistake that usually students make, especially in speaking, when they are using direct speech, they use that direct speech this is a direct speech. That direct speech direct speech that like for example that was manga indirect but that like indirect ki manga rip the change kala tense change kala namangba sataguru. First of all, we have got to look at the reporting speech, reporting verb tabaguru. Reporting verb mangsara present simple, future ki ya present perfect, present continuous ki no beba tense na change ki dalta was the ugure he says no da badasi he says that first person pronoun again change according to the subject of the reporting speech. He says that he will work hard. He said that he will work hard. So guys, now let's have a look at when the tense change occur, when the tense change take place. So let's have a look at that. Okay, now tense change take place when the reporting verb, the reporting clause or the reporting verb is in past tense. Reporting verb चिपा past की, like for example पदा से हालत की विची he sad या she sad or she told me or he told me or she explained or he explained or he talked about etc. which is the reporting verb Pasaki reporting verb past ki. This is reporting verb. Ch reporting verb past ki no tense ba change ki. Aur ch reporting verb present, future etc. ki no beba tense na change ki. Ha, ch wo zaman sar reporting verb past ki vi. Reporting verb aur reported speech present ki vi. No da pasi past taro. Have a look at this. Simple present tense changes into past simple tense. First, let me teach you the tense changes, and later on we'll do the examples. Simple present tense simple past tawri मतलब दारे का फर्स्ट का reporting verb पर past के और reported speech पर present simple के उन्होंने reported speech पर past simple tawri. Have a look at this. When the reporting verb means this verb. He said, she said, I said, we said, you said. He told me, she told me, that told me, Ali told me, you told me. Mean the past. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, all the present tenses inside the quotation marks जो कम पर quotation marks की यानी मतलब कम reported speech verbs दिया reported speech tense थे नो दब सिकीगी दब मुंगा past ताड़ो मतलब present simple present tense पर past simple ताड़ो present simple tense पर past simple tense ताड़ो present continuous पर past continuous ताड़ो present perfect tense पर present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. Present perfect tense become tense tawdi past perfect tense tawdi. Present perfect continuous ba past perfect continuous tawdi. Present simple past ba hum past perfect tawdi. Our past continuous ba past perfect continuous tawdi. Our past perfect tense no change the bana change ki past perfect continuous tense will also not change. Let's have a look at it once again. When the reporting verb is in the past, then the reported speech or the speech inside the quotation marks will be changed. Present simple will change into past simple, present continuous will change into past continuous, present perfect tense will change into past perfect, present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous, and simple past will also change into past perfect, and past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Past perfect tense won't change, past perfect continuous tense won't change. Later on, after the example, we'll do how to change modal verbs. Now have a look at the example. Okay, now let's have a look at the examples. When the reporting verb is in the past simple or the past tense, the tense in reported speech will take place. Simple present tense changes into past simple. Have a look at this. He said, I am a student. He said, I am a student. Let me show you, let me teach you people a very easy formula. If this is in past, in here, am changes into was, is changes into was, are changes into were, have changes into had, have becomes had. Like for example, have a look at this now. He said, I am a student. He said, I am a student. So we can easily change it. He said that. He said that. This is first person pronoun change according to the subject of the reporting. It becomes he. He said that he. No, now have a look at this is past. No, dava pasi past. Dava past ke dava present ke no dava pasi past tado. No, he said that he was a student. He said that he was a student. He said that he was a student. She said I never eat meat. She said I never eat meat. Now have a look at this. This is subject. This reported subject is first person pronoun. It is changed according to the subject, so it becomes she said that she never. No, the present simple there about past simple tawari. No, past simple giving second form of verb like no, eat becomes ate. She never ate meat. She said that she never ate meat. Present simple, past simple tha. Ali said I like tea. Ali said I like tea. Have a look at this. Simple past. Simple past लेकिन ना. No simple past no दल ते हमने present simple लाओ बस simple past ताड़ो. Like Ali said, comma possessive that बोलेगी that. Subject first person ले according to the subject of the reporting speech. It becomes what? Ali said that he liked tea. He liked tea. Now have a look at present continuous. Present continuous tense becomes past continuous if the reporting verb is in simple past and the reported verb is in the present continuous tense, so that present continuous changes into past continuous. Like for example, he said I am feeling sick. He said I am feeling sick. So it becomes that he said that he was feeling sick. He said that he was feeling sick. He said that he was feeling sick. He told us I am washing the dishes. He told us I'm washing the dishes. So now this is told. It's past simple. He told us. He told us. Later on I'm going to teach you the difference between say and tell. But now have a look at this. She told us I'm washing the dishes. So how to change it? Very easy. She told us. Instead of commas we put that. She told us that. This is first person pronoun. So first person pronoun is changed according to the subject of the reporting speech. It becomes she. This is I, so it becomes she. She said that she told us that she told us that she. This is present continuous, it becomes past continuous. She told us that she was washing the dishes. She said that she was washing the dishes. She said that she was washing the dishes. So when the reporting verb चिखला जमंग सरा past के नो reported speech tense बचेंज कीगी नो कदा reported speech tense पर present simple के वो past simple तबाउडी का present continuous के वो past continuous तबाउडी और कमुंग सरा परस का present perfect के नो past perfect तबाउडी was the past perfect examples तो गोरे चे past perfect present perfect बस संगा past perfect ताड़ो. Okay, now let's talk about present perfect tense. If once again, when the reporting verb is in the past tense, all the present tenses inside the quotation marks will change to their corresponding past tenses. Like present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense. She said, I have eaten lunch. She said, I have eaten lunch. This is reporting speech or reporting clause. It is in simple past tense. This reported speech is in present perfect tense. It is in present perfect tense. This changes into past perfect tense. The opposite present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. The past perfect tense she said that that first person pronoun is changed according to the subject of the reporting speech. First person pronoun is changed according to the so she said that she had eaten lunch. 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 He said, I have met him. He said, I have met him. Now, he said, I have met him. So this is again a reporting clause. It is in past simple. So it is in present perfect. It changes into past perfect. No, he said, he said. That he said that. He said that. First person pronoun changes according to the subject. He said that he had met him. 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 They said we have won the match. They said we have won the match. So it becomes, this is once again a reporting clause or reporting speech. Reporting speech is in past simple, so the tense and the reported speech will take place. The change will take place. The change in the reported speech will take place. The tense change will take place in the reported speech. This is present perfect. It will change into past perfect. It becomes they said, they said that. First person pronoun change according to the subject. They said that they had won the match. 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 Now, present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Like for example, they said we have been playing cricket for 2 hours. They said we have been playing cricket for 2 hours. This is again, look at this speech. This is reporting speech and it is in the past simple tense. And this is reported speech, it is in present perfect tense. So present perfect tense changes into past perfect, present perfect continuous, present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. So it becomes they said that they have been playing cricket. They said that they had been playing cricket for 2 hours. They said that they had been playing cricket for 2 hours. They said that the first person pronoun according to the subject of the reporting speech, they said that they had been playing cricket for 2 hours. He said I have been living here for 3 years. He said that he had been living here. Adverb of time or adverb of place changes but later on no here chikam didabba there the change. He said that he had been living there for 3 years. He said that he had been living for 3 years. So that is how to change present perfect tense and how to change past. Present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Now let's have a look at past simple tense. Which tense do we teach past simple tense to? Past simple tense is changed into past perfect tense. So now let's have a look at the example of past simple tense. Simple past tense, if reporting verb is in simple past tense, reported speech is also in simple past tense. So simple past tense changes into past perfect tense. Simple past tense changes into past perfect tense. Simple past tense become tense change past perfect tha. For example, he said I went to school. Again, reporting speech simple past ke liye, reported speech hum pa simple past ke. No reported speech pa past perfect tha. He said that. Look at the pronoun change according to the subject. If the reported speech subject is first person pronoun, it is changed according to the subject of the reporting speech. Now he said that he past perfect about he had gone to school. He had gone to school. He said that he had gone to school. He said that he had gone to school. He said I was busy. याद साथै was were verb द्वारा had been त change की yes formula had been ta was verb had been त change की कचरी head रागले हो नो दब had त change की had तब change की हाँ. He said I was busy. The had been the change. He said that he had been busy. Was or had been the change. She said to me, I saw him yesterday. She said to me, I saw him yesterday. Reporting speech is in past tense. Reported speech is also in past tense. Reported speech is changed into past perfect. Like she said that according to I, so change according to the subject of the reporting speech, that she said that she had seen him the previous day. Yesterday is changed into the previous day, so we are going to do that later. The previous day. Okay, past continuous tense changes into past perfect tense. Past continuous tense but past perfect tense the change ki. Like he said I was sleeping. He said I was sleeping. No da bada se change ki. He said that he had been sleeping. He said that he had been sleeping. He said that he had been sleeping. She said I was washing the dishes. No, she said that she said that she had been washing the dishes. She said that she had been washing the dishes. She said that she had been washing the dishes. They said we were playing cricket. Nadabba Wadi, they said that they said that they had been playing cricket. They said that they had been playing cricket. So that was tense change. Now remember one thing that is quite important, that past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense change will not take place.